Hello, friends. Welcome to the world of learning and growing. So, I've been asked this question many, many times. So, I thought once and for all, I'll answer this query of yours, that is radiation oncology specialty safe? So, we all fear when we hear the term radiation, right? So, we think that it might be harmful, we might be exposed while working in the radiation department. But let me tell you, this specialty, this branch is very, very safe. But previously, when we were using cobalt machines for treatment, yes, it contained the radioactive source and there was a risk that you could be exposed to it. But nowadays, with the coming up of linear accelerators, we use electricity to generate electrons which are converted into photons, and the treatment is done by these photons. So only when the machine is switched on, which is done inside a bunker, only when the patient is there and everybody else is outside the bunker, we can see it through the monitors, and we have cameras installed inside. So when the radiation is delivered, we are not inside the bunker or near the machine. We are in the console area, we are monitoring it from outside, and it is very, very safe. When we go inside to set up the patient, to see the patient, the machine is automatically switched off and the radiation is not present there because there are no radioactive sources as such in the machine. So when we also practice brachytherapy, brachytherapy is actually inserting those sources inside the tumor, which is mainly done for cervix. It can also be done for head, neck, breast, and rectum. But in that also, nowadays after loading machines have come in which you insert the needles inside the patient and you connect it to the machine, and once you come out of the OT, then the sources go inside those needles and do the treatment, and they come out, and it is very, very safe because you are not there when the sources are going inside. Okay, so I think radiation oncology should not be feared. It is a branch that is upcoming. It is coming up in a very, very, very big way because cancer treatment has three parts. First is surgery, second is chemotherapy, third is a very, very, very major part of radiation oncology. And I think that this misconception must be cleared, and there is no problem of infertility in both males and females. There is no problem for conception. There is no risk for cancer development because of the radiation exposure. I think you should definitely opt for this branch if you want to do something in cancer and don't want to go for super specialty also. So this is a branch which will fulfill all your conditions and qualities, and all the best for taking this branch as your career option.